Calling all investors. You don't want to miss this one. All that is left to be done are a few finishing touches to make this the perfect home. Detached 2-car garage with attached workshop. Roof is less than 10 years. HVAC system is less than 3 years. Electrical wiring is underground, Dominion approved. New tankless water heater conveys, but needs to be installed. Current water heater does not work. Insulation for crawl space, baseboards, and uninstalled appliances, range and dishwasher, to convey. Gas and electric connections for the range. Cellar to finish installing the back deck boards. Square feet per cellar. Seller has survey and city inspections documents at the home.